Hi guys, I did this Christmas lights makeup look, so I thought it'd be perfect for Christmas, and if you're still interested, keep on watching.
We won't leave you.
So I'm going to use this Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to be using this as the base. So I'm going to be using the James Charles palette, and I'm going to be using the shades 10% Off and No Beans. Next, I'm just going to be cutting my crease. Then I'm going to be using the shade Face where I cut the crease. Then I'm going to be using my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner just to do a regular winged eyeliner. So I didn't show it on video, but I'm also going to be doing eyeliner on the top of the crease and flicking little lines. This is just going to make it look like they're little light bulbs. Then I'm going to be putting colors, and then I'm going to be using white eyeliner on top of that just to make it look more like a light bulb, and this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!